Oh, this is pretty. Oh, hell yeah. We just unlocked a new biome. I know that's a new one, right? Put these here, do some happy little trees. Oh, we got some cheesecakes already. A little bit of train trickery. That's not gonna match up with the forest, but that's okay. I'd rather get the river. Ooh, look at that. That's perfect. More forest going. Oh, that's so close. Why is... What is going on right here? What is up with this tile? Something techie. Oh! Poor little mill. Big forest. I want a big forest now. Well, not that big, I guess. Big-ish. There's, it's weird, yeah. That's alright. There's been some quality of life tweaks. Oh, nice. A friend of yours is a longtime content creator. They do 3 videos for the algorithm and then 1 for burning out. That's smart. I just do my own and then no one cares. No one... I've been getting more views with my Endwalker videos than Final Fantasy normally gets, but still not many. Whatever, it's okay. Like, it doesn't feel great, but I am doing it because I want to, and I know it's not going to be huge or anything. But who dang, we do got some crying in some of the recent videos. Cheesecake going that way. Oh, that's perfect. It's called trees up there. Ooh, this is pretty. Maybe I'll make a lake in the middle here. Oh, if I could've like had this coming down here or something. I don't know, we'll do something weird. Why not? Oh, our next train piece, finally. A little bit of cheesecake. Well, that has to go there, or unless I put it, like, here. You know what? Actually, I might. Because otherwise it's going to put it right towards the town. Let's curve that. It's that way. go. Ooh, that's kind of nice. But it doesn't really fit otherwise. This doesn't fit anywhere very well. I have not been... Oopsie. It's fine. Maybe we'll make a little bit of cheesecake down here. Just a little. A touch as a treat. Sure, we got a weird train track going. Oh, that's a good piece there, actually. Ooh, double perfect. Oh, this would I could have. Dang. Oh well. We're just gonna block that off there, so we don't have to worry about it. A lot of trees. Oh, that's almost perfect. Let's... Wow, this is just... Oh, heck. They're big heckin' at me. They're big heckin' at me. Oh, that was really dumb. Why did I do that? Why did I think that would work? Oh! I'm smart. Fruitquake? Wait. Of course you could have some cheesecake. I want to try Fruitquake. It's me, the Fruitquake. So there's holidays. With a blast of artificial fruitcake. Oh, I no longer wish to try Fruitquake. Huh. Oh, I forgot my, this beer is much better than the last one. I have a shock top twisted pretzel. What do I want to do with this? Maybe I hook it off this way? Something like that? I don't know. Oh. It's nice. You know what? Sure. What is with the train track? What is... Is it buried in mud? What is going on? Perfect! $5 cheesecake on the store of the weekend. That sounds good. Firefox crashed? Oh, that's alright. Okay, this isn't perfect, but it's alright. It's not bad. Mwah. Oh, this one's more cheesecake. That's fine. Perfect. Trees quake. I gotta remember to lean up for here. Maybe we'll do that now. There we go, water station. Maybe I'll... We'll figure something to do with it. Good enough. Oh, triple perfect. Did I ever get that one to like get 7 perfects at once or something? I don't remember. That's a crazy achievement. Build towards this fancy tile, why don't ya? Is that one? Who's bullying me? Oh, thank you, Sensei. Mostly cat girls. Yeah, anyone's welcome to join. As long as they're not terrible. But no one here is, so you're all welcome to join. It's kind of cute. Ooh. Train, train. Oh, I could have turned that up here also. Oh well. Still can't. Oh right, I also have an undo button, but this is fine too. Boring. More lake, more cheesecake lake. Cheese clay. Close the door. You thought we were coming up here, but too bad. Anyone want to play some 14? Shit, 14's down. Anyone want to play some 14? Shit, 14's down. What do I do with this heck of a piece? Whatever, it lives there now. I'm gonna go live on an island with my wife. I scrunched this game basically all about building as circular as you can with as many opportunities to get perfects. That makes sense, yeah. I'm not... Like, I try to go for good points and stuff, but also I just like having a good time. like making cool stuff. Like, see, this is cool as hell. Like, look at this! There's been a cool little island! Too many houses. Shaka choo choo. Heck. Make some more houses. Ooh. Oh no, that. Oh shit. Almost, but not quite. But you know what? That's okay. What if we? Cap that town off. Oh, I just need a perfect planes, or actually the boat would do it. Or the water, I mean. I'm making a big lake. Oh, this is more forest. Yeah. Tile unlocked. Ruin. Hell yeah. Are there any others? Oh, there's one over here. Okay. I should do something about that then. I could have like one little house in the middle there. That would be kind of neat. I love how it forms stuff. Right? It is. It's chill and it definitely doesn't get stressful. There we go. Connect that. Perfect. Can we connect those trees? But do I want the cheesecake down there? Put a little thingy there because I can. This one's exactly 2 houses. Perfect. Oh gosh, this is too many for that. We'll put that down there then, I guess. One house. Then all we need is one more one house. Guess I'll put that down there. Either of them will take 3, but if we connect them, then this will finish also. Why do I want Taco Bell? And candy, I want candy. Brr, 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 brr. Do we have a big island? Let's zoom in a little. It's kind of nice, maybe. Big town, big town. That would kill that. Maybe this is the best place. Perfect. We could keep this squiggle, this little squizzle swazzle going. Let's try to, I don't know. How thin of a little little thing could we make here? We had approximately 10 feet of land, so we built a cheesecake field and some houses. Oh, I gotta be careful with these houses, that's the only place left. But, speaking of houses, boom! Big cheesecake coming up. Okay, that's the only place left for that one, so I gotta be careful with that. But that's okay, because there's a lot of cheesecake for them. Little tasty, tasty cheesecake. How do we... Let's see if we can... Ooh, another water station. I think I'm gonna put this here. Oh, that's kind of fun.